So, Oliver, we had been $3 higher. We're $1.70 higher now on November feeders. Is that a win or a loss? How do you look at that?
Well, I would have liked to see a little bit more follow through after that gap higher that we saw on the open, both for live cattle and feeder cattle. For live cattle, what we've been talking about for what seems like a lifetime is just the lack of a fundamental catalyst to get the managed money excited about being long. The cash has been, right around 124 for the better part of what seems like a lifetime, and we just need to get that catalyst to get them more involved to the upside. And potentially Friday's data that we got is that catalyst to get them dipping their toes in a little bit more aggressively to the buy side. Friday's commitment of traders report showed that funds did add about 9,000 contracts through October 19th. That puts them net long about 45,000 contracts, which is still a relatively neutral position. So again, if we can continue to get some friendly news and get a technical breakout, I wouldn't be surprised to see them get more involved. The technical breakout would be above 131, which is the top end of the recent range, as well as the 100-day moving average.
So how are the funds positioned on the lean hog trade? So as we look at those prices, December now trading 40 cents higher. We're at 73.72 on the day, and February up just a dime. But where are the managed money funds now on the hogs?
Well, the managed money in the hogs has been a little bit of a roller coaster ride, and we're expecting them, as with the cattle complex, to get a little bit more aggressive to the long side, especially last week at that gap that was at 77. We thought that the funds were going to be able to defend that. We filled the gap bounce, and then that bounce was sold into aggressively. So I think the funds are being a little bit more hesitant here in the near future and keeping a close eye on those September lows, which comes in a little bit closer towards 71.25. They must defend that. A failure there opens the door for some accelerated selling pressure if the fundamentals can't support the market.